Hello, in this video, I want to show you how to set up a 𝗂𝗃 Fiverr seller account completely. I will also show you how to create the Fiverr gig and also how to verify your 𝗂𝗃 phone number. That's what I'm going to cover right now in this video. I'm going to show you the correct way on how to do it. So you need to stick around as I will show you step by step on how to create it. So I have already made the part 1 video of showing you how to create this 𝗂𝗃 Fiverr seller account. Check the part 1 in the description of the video. So let's get it started with this one. So what I have to do for from the part 1, so if you check the description what the part 1, here is where I left up of me showing you that after creating the 𝗂𝗃 Fiverr seller account. Here, if I check the profile, it will say the country is United States here, and the date here is October 2022. So what I need to do now is to finish setting up this 𝗂𝗃 Fiverr seller account. So what I need to do is to click on this my profile icon here. So once I click on it, need to click on this become a seller. So I click on become a seller, and it will take me to this page again. So what I need to do is to click on here, become a seller. So once I click on it again, it will will be the final process of setting of clicking become a seller. So once what I need to do is to click on this continue. So once I click on continue, I hear what makes a successful Fiverr profile. So after reading this, what I need to do here is to click on continue again, and once I click on continue, it will load up. I click, and here now we will talk about the things you want. Uh, now let's talk about the things you want to steer clear of. Steer clear of. So what I need to do is to click on continue again. So once I click on continue here, I need to fill in my personal information. As you can see here, personal information. What you need to do is to fill in your name you want to use. So here, 𝗂𝗃𝗁, and a social media. So I think I will use this image. So I scroll down, click on continue. So as you can see, that image is what's making it not go. So so here I need to here, as you can see, occupation, and here I need to, as you can see, personal information, professional info. The third thing is the link account and account security. Here is where we confirm our 𝗂𝗃 phone number. Then we can be able to create a Fiverr gig. So here occupation. So I select graphics and design. So here country, let me use United States. United States is because this is 𝗂𝗃 Fiverr seller account, and here the university name, I think Morgan University in Maryland. Let me enter PhD. So this is, in your case, what you want to use is what you enter there. So this is me showing you how you can do that. So yeah, so I add, and I scroll down, and what I need to do is to click on continue. So I click. So here I need to link my social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Google. But for now, I think I need to continue. So I click on continue. I can do that later. So it's not a must that you do everything here. So here, account security. So here is where you need to, we will never share your phone number. They will want to verify your phone number. Email is verified, add phone number. So here is where the next step is. So phone number, what I need to do is to click on add phone number. This is 𝗂𝗃 phone number because we are using a 𝗂𝗃 Fiverr seller account. So here I need to enter the phone number. So let me check the phone number that I want to enter here. So I enter 668 7. So what I need to do is to click on verify by SMS. They will send code to it. As you can see here, they have sent code. So I think this code, let me use another number since the code didn't arrive. So let me use another number. So then 9064. So I click on verify by SMS. The code will arrive now, and I will enter it to confirm. So here is the code. So the code is 7173 7173 7173. So what I need to do is to click on submit code, and my phone number is verified. 7173. Okay. This phone number will be verified. So 100% working. So this, as you can see, we are waiting for it to be verified. Submit. So as you can see here, verification complete. Your phone number was verified. Thank you. So this is a good news. So I have verified my USA fiverr seller account using a USA phone number. This is the correct way on how to do it. So what I need to do is to click on OK. So if you want to know where I get this number, it involves some simple process. You just need to check my contact details in the description of the video. You just WhatsApp me, and I will show you how you can get this number. I get it $0.5 per one number. $0.5 to get one number. And if you want to receive another code, that is to withdraw from Fiverr, you will send another code. You will only pay 0.10 cents, only 10 cents. And the good news here is I normally set this number 2,000 naira per one, and I get it 0.5. It doesn't even reach $1. Up to I get it less than 400 naira, and I sell it 2,000 naira. So if you get this process that I used to get this number, you can start selling USA phone number to over 5 account to people that don't know how to get it. So WhatsApp me, and I will show you how to get it. All right. So so this is very second strategy that I use like this. Just contact me to get it. So to get the method. All right. So what I need to do is to click on OK, and click on OK. So once I click on OK, what will happen is we will then create a gig. Okay, here just a second question. Answer some second question here. So let me answer it real quick. So here you need to select a security question and answer it. Remember, don't forget it. That is the one thing, is to write it down somewhere, or save it somewhere online, and don't forget it. All right, so click on finish, and then once I click on finish, verification complete, I click on OK, and that's it. So the next thing now is to create a gig. As you can see here, phone number verified. As you can see here, phone number verified. So let me click on finish. You can see here, completion rate 65%. So click on finish, and once I click on finish, here your seller profile is all set. You can scroll down this page, and I click on done here. So once I click on done, I will be taken to here where I can create Fiverr gig. So here you can write something like I will do I will create a logo for your business, or I will help you create a WordPress blog. I will help you create custom logo for your brand or business. So you enter what you want to create here. You enter it here, the title. Here you enter the category and select subcategory. You here you enter the related keyword to that. That's your optimize it a little bit. Here after entering it, this is going to take a little time, so I don't want to go through all the process, but I want to show you how you can do that. After entering it, you click on save and continue, and here you need to pricing. You enter the price of your service, how much you want to be selling the service. You enter that is what the pricing here, and here the description you explain the what the service is about. If it's a graphic design, you explain. I will help you to create a graphic design for a website, like the graphic design which includes logo for a website, or just a logo for your business or brand. Just explain that in the description, and here is the requirements. What is required to get to get the service done for your clients? You state it, and here gallery, I think you upload the image of your gig, and then here you click on publish. You publish your gig, and once you publish your gig, once people come to Fiverr and let's say your gig has been ranked to the first page, once people search, I need a logo for my website, and your gig ranked on the first page or second page or third page. Let's say on the first page, your gig will be something like this. Your gig will appear like this. Let me show you. So let me show you. All these are gigs. So yours will be appearing like this. As you can see here, I will provide week's SEO service for higher Google. This one has 5-star rating and 120 orders. And so yours will be like this. And once you start publishing more gig and keep ranking, you will be getting customers to the Fiverr search. I know it is not easy, but as a beginner, just what is required is you to get started. You need to get started, and if you are getting started like this, the next step, you will not believe it how far you will go. But if you didn't start, you just remain where you are. Alright. So the best thing is, as you have started, if you follow this tutorial, make sure you take action and create your Fiverr sell account and start selling. So this is how to create a US Fiverr sell account. Remember, if you for those that are interested to know like the the secret where I get the phone number, I don't want to review it here so that it will not be saturated. So if you are my subscriber, just reach out to me, and I take you to the process. You can as well start selling this phone number to people that need USA phone number for Fiverr verification. You can purchase it with less than 400 naira, and they sell it at 2,000 naira to 5, and they make profits from that as well. So I have been doing that for years, and it's still working. As I show you, you should see it by yourself how I verified the Fiverr account using the USA phone number. So all right, so this is how to create the USA Fiverr sell accounts and verify the phone number, and also she'll give you some tips on how to get the Fiverr gig so that you can get started up and running. So thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a like, and I will see you in my next video. And also don't forget to subscribe. Hello, thank you for watching my video. I appreciate it a lot. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel so that anytime I release my future video, you will get notified about it. Thank you.